Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the power mirrors on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts, tools or diagnostics if your power mirror does not work. It could be really simple fix, we'll talk about that. After that, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So guys, now for the power mirrors, we will need to check multiple fuses, up to 4 of them. Those are for the door modules and the mirrors itself. We'll talk what else you need to check. Make sure you stay until the end. In addition, if you fix a problem with you had to replace a mirror or a switch, anything like that, and fuse is good and still does not work, you may need to clear the codes out of the module for that function to work correctly again. Now we have a special video on the channel that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Why Power Mirror Does Not Work. Check it out, it will teach you what you need to check, how to test components, all that stuff as well. What you need to do now, let's explain about the fuse box. Most people are familiar with that fuse box that's under the hood facing the engine on the right side. This is the driver's side and that's the main engine fuse box. But guys, that's not what we need. Actually, we have a hidden one. You wonder where? Well, inside the vehicle guys. If we come to the driver's side, this is the steering wheel. You see on the left side here underneath we have the panel removed and you have a hidden fuse box. Relays, even more relays are hidden here in the back. We have a special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that will teach you about all your hidden fuse boxes and relays. Video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay. They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fix, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them guys to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Here what we need to check guys, today we will need to check multiple fuses, okay. We'll talk about that, make sure to stay until the end. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 21, so that's fuse number right here now. Right here 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. The fuse number will be printed right under the fuse guys. Then you need to check after 21, we need to check fuse number 24 right here. And guys, next the fuse numbers will be printed on top of these fuses. You need to check fuse number 46, okay, and 47. These are very important fuses. If that does not fix the problem, what do you guys need to check? You need to check the BCM, body control module fuses and relays. You have many hidden ones. Check out the video, it will be on the channel. He will talk about that. But the BCM also controls that function. So if these fuses that we checked are fine and you still have problem, always check the BCM fuses on your Volkswagen Tiguan. BCM body control module fuses relays, that could be the fix, okay, for your problem as well. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.